convoy proceeding to holding area 4. Next 5 units ready for departure.
Check the sensor array on the passenger side.
Reading green.
Approaching the uncoiling station. Slow and steady. Watch your signals on the floor.
Colossal 4,000-ton presses stamp steel with thunderous force, the first step in creating the Ford F-Series.
In this immense facility, the ladder-style steel frames are precisely assembled by robots and skilled technicians.
Glass and windshield installation.
Check the sensor array on the passenger side.
Reading green across the board. Seal integrity confirmed at high pressure.
Calibration sequence initiated on Bay 3. Reading stable. Alignment confirmed.
We are approaching peak torque. Monitor the transmission temperature.
Temperature is holding steady. The cooling system is performing within tolerance.
Keep coming nice and slow and stop right there. All right, secure on deck.
The continuous parts replenishment system ensures a seamless flow of materials, orchestrated by these automated guided vehicles. Calibration complete. Releasing arm for assembly sequence.
Okay, apply the torque smoothly 3 times. Watch the indicator.
3 times.
Perfect, skill verified.
E-stop engaged and functional.
All barriers secure. Signage updated.
line, where the system adapts instantly to different Super Duty configurations.
I just logged the measurement. It's fully compliant.
This welding station is still showing a major bottleneck. We need to adjust the takt time immediately.
Metrics for the Super Duty line.
Building the next generation of Super Duty trucks.
The schedule's updated on the tablet for the next run. Okay, thanks. We'll take it from here. Make sure to log off before you head out.
Convoy proceeding to holding area 4. Next 5 units ready for departure.